Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Diablo 2 Resurrected Infernal Edition not launching or crashing on PC. If your game won't start, closes immediately, or crashes on startup, just follow these steps one by one. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library and locate Diablo 2 Resurrected. Right-click the game and select Properties. Click on Installed Files, then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now wait for Steam to scan and repair any missing or corrupted files. Once the process is finished, try launching the game again. If it's still crashing, move on to the next solution. Solution 2. Go back to Steam. Right-click Diablo 2 Resurrected and select Properties again. Click on Installed Files, then select Browse to open the game folder. Locate d2r.exe. Right-click it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Now, check Run this program as administrator. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch the game and see if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install any available updates. After updating, restart your PC and test the game. Solution 4. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu, type NVIDIA App and open it. Go to the Drivers tab, click Check for Updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. Once finished, restart your PC and try launching the game again. Solution 5. If the game is still not launching, you may be missing required Visual C++ files. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and download vc_redist.x86, vc_redist.x64. Once downloaded, double-click vc_redist.x64 first. Accept the terms, click Yes, and wait for it to install. Click Close when finished, but do not restart yet. Now, double-click vc_redist.x86. Accept the terms, click Yes, and wait for installation to complete. Once both are installed, restart your PC. After your PC restarts, launch Diablo 2 Resurrected Infernal Edition again. The game should now launch without crashing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.